Hey guys, it's US Storms and Sirens. Welcome back to another video. We have a shelf cloud coming into Frisco right now. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. That thing is big. That is a big shelf cloud right there. I can feel the wind coming in as well. I can feel the wind. There's no 50 or 60 mile an hour wind gusts, but it is possible with this shelf cloud. Oh, there goes the wind again. There's the wind picking up. It's about to pass right over us. Oh my gosh, look at that. Bro, that thing is big. It's coming in from that way, so it has to fully pass over us for the winds to start picking up. Oh, let's see what type of winds will happen here. Look at those clouds right there. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. There goes the wind. Oh my gosh, I can feel it coming in. There's the wind. Oh, it's coming in, guys. It's coming in hard. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's go over to the mailbox real quick. Well, that thing is towering right now. The wind's picking up in the backyard a little bit, but this is crazy too. It's very crazy. Yeah, it's very dark over there. This part hasn't even passed over us yet. The winds are so strong, they're moving through those live oaks really good. Oh, here comes the wind. It's blowing that way because the storm's moving that way. The winds are so strong, it's literally moving those live oaks so hard. Here it comes, here it comes. Oh my gosh, it's about to pass over us right here. This is where the winds get more insane. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. Yeah, you can see the wind blowing that way. You can definitely see it blowing that way. It's darker over there and that's coming towards us. Oh, the wind's picking up. It's picking up. It's supposed to pick up even more as this moves in. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh, there goes a little hangar. Now these winds are probably like maybe 20, 30 miles per hour. That's kind of fast. I heard my cypress swish a little bit, but not as bad. Look at that. But those live oaks are moving so much. Oh my gosh, here it comes, here it comes. Here it comes, guys, here it comes. I'm trying to get everything I can in this video. Oh my gosh. Look at that cloud just towering over. The winds are going to get even stronger as this moves in, as it moves over. my cypress, dude. Look at my bald cypress. I was not expecting this today. I'm not kidding. I didn't even check the weather today. Oh my gosh, look at how dark it is. Bro, it got dark quick. Bro, it got dark pretty fast. Look at how dark it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now these winds are probably like maybe 40 miles per hour. Oh my gosh, look at my... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now these are like probably like 40 mile per hour wind gusts. Oh my gosh. This is kind of like that storm that hit February. I don't know what day it was, but wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, I'm gonna go to the backyard, so I'll see you in a moment. All right, we're here in the backyard now. These wind gusts are still strong. Oh my gosh. Someone's honking. Wow, look at that. Look at how dark it got. Wow. I'm gonna put this down real quick. Okay. Oh my gosh, the wind's coming right at me. It's starting to get clear over there, but there's not as much wind in the back because there's not as much wind back here because there's a bunch of houses. Oh my gosh, you see that tree over there? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, these winds are really picking up now. Oh my gosh. Holy sh... Oh my... Oh my gosh. I know I'm like very hyped right now. It's because this is rare. This is a very rare storm. I hear things banging around. Wait, can we see the front yard from here? Let's see what it looks like. Bro, the wind's barely blowing in the front. It's because all the wind's getting trapped in here. Oh my gosh, look at that mulberry. Oh my gosh. Holy gosh. The wind's blowing that way. Would that mean that is, I would say that way is, south. So the winds are coming from the north. So that means, yeah, these winds are actually kind of cold because the winds are coming from the north, cold winds. Look at how dark it is over there. Wow. Man, these are some strong gusts of wind. Welcome to Frisco. Welcome to Frisco in Texas. Our weather here is insane. There's like tornadoes every 5 days. Oh my gosh, I can see the wind blowing through that oak tree over there, and then it comes over here. Wow, this is crazy. Look at how much the storm's already passed. Oh my gosh. I can already I bet it's even worse over there. That looks like stronger winds over there. But we didn't get hit with that part. We got hit with the short part of it. And that's like the long part of it. That is scary. Look at that cloud right there. That is freaky. Bro, look at how freaking dark it is over there. It doesn't look dark on the camera, but it is black over there. Here, let's get a better shot of it. Yeah, it doesn't look too fun over there. Oh, that is a big gust of wind over there. Oh my gosh. That is a big gust of wind coming at us. Those are like tornado clouds, dude. Like, it is so freaking dark. It doesn't look dark on the camera, but it is black. Wow. Look at that. Look at that cloud. It almost looks like it's rising into the air. I'm telling you, the clouds here in Texas are very weird. Like, sometimes it can get pitch black because the sun's not over there. The sun is like back over here and not over there because it's so black. Let's see if we can see the front yard. Doesn't look... I can literally hear the wind blowing through those little holes in the fence right there. I can literally hear the wind blowing through that. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. Wow. That is dark as dark. Let's get on my trampoline and see if we can see better. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it doesn't look too fun over there. Look at how beautiful that cloud is. It's like an orange-yellow cloud. I think the storm's already past us, but now we're just getting gusts of wind right now. And I just heard a stick fall into the gutters. Alright guys, I'm going to go take a look in the front yard one more time, and we'll see how it is. Alright, we're back out here in the front. Oh yeah, the storm has already passed us. Now it's just gusts of wind and clear skies now. And now the winds are blowing from the southwest again. Wow. Now the winds just went back to the same direction they always do. That was so weird though. It's like a cloud just went like... This only lasted for about 15 minutes. And I'm still recording. Well guys, I'm gonna have to end this video because the clouds have already passed and now we're just getting gusty winds, and I don't feel like filming that much right now, so oh my gosh, I can literally hear the wind through those live oaks. Listen. Wait, hold on. The video's not over. Don't click off the video yet. I'm just starting my little outro real quick. Yeah, those winds are strong. Alright, well, now I'm doing my real outro. So thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all later.